Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys if, elif, and else statements. So basically what elif statements do, they're same thing as if, except if I wrote if, whatever, if this, and then if this, and then if this, what it would do was pretend like this thing was true. Like if your favorite color was blue, and the person wrote blue, it would still go on to this one, and then go on to the next, and go on as many if conditions as there were. But if I put an elif, so for example, if I put an elif here, and then let's just say this was wrong and this was right, it would not go on to the next one. What elif does is it stops it right there. Instead of making it go through all of the possible solutions, it just stops it when there's a right solution. So that's why it's more convenient, and sometimes even stops bugs if two ones are correct. So let's write let's do the color, or let's do pet. Pet equals input. What is your favorite? Okay. Then let's do if pet equals dog, print nice. And then we have to write elif pet equals cat, right? Elif dog pet equals cat, print and then we come to the else statement. Else basically does, if this is wrong and if this is wrong, just do this. So in order for the else statement to work, we have to write else, and then whatever you want to write. So in this case, let's write print right. Okay. Basically, you can only have one else statement, because if you have more, then it's not right, because you can only have one if that's not right. So if this is not right, and if this is not right, move on to this. If you had just an if statement here, then it would be, if the person said dog, it would still move on to the cat and see if it's right. That's why an elif statement is needed. You can have as many elif statements as you want, but as many if statements as you want. But the usual thing is if, elif, as many elifs, if, elif, and then else. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.